Hey guys, we're here for Fishing Edition episode 7 here at Narrabeen Lakes. We don't have Tomas this week, but we do have Nico. And our two special guests for this week, Dan and Ryan.
G'day.
How's it going?
I'm glad to be here.
So
I
feel
feel really honoured to be here with the Fishing and Dissing gang.
that's great,
I'm a
Dan.
big fan of their videos.
That's excellent. So we're gonna have a great day of fishing with you guys today.
We've already got one fish.
Yeah, we already got one fish.
Caught by
Caught
Nico.
before the intro,
I've
but
been getting tons of bites.
yeah. So that's excellent. Nico's on, guys.
Nico's
This is the
on.
first fisher today.
He's on. He's onto a brim by the looks of it.
Yeah.
What will it be? Oh, it's a brim. That is a brim. That is a nice brim.
Yeah. Where's the ruler?
Alright, put it on the ground.
Quickly.
That's about 17, 18. 17. We'll stretch it out. He swallowed the whole thing, this leader in his mouth. Oh, never mind, that's a fin.
Oh, okay.
That's fin.
Alright, well,
Pulled his fin off.
Well, that's our
Kiss him.
first. It's our first fish.
That's the closest kiss
Fish to the day. Off you go. Holy crap, we got another fish on today.
Flathead eggs. We got flatty eggs.
What do we get?
That's a slug. That's a sea slug.
That's not a slug, mate. You're gonna wrap up the line. That's a sea slug. That is not a... Wait, why is it bleeding purple? Because it's a sea cucumber.
Okay. Okay. Dan, your reaction is
He
perfect.
was already there when I found him.
Okay. Well, that's our second fish of today, boys.
I mean, technically it is.
Oi.
Alrighty guys, am I? Yeah. Alrighty guys, so this spot for us has been a bust. So in the end, we only caught one brim and one foul-hooked sea slug, which is pretty weird. So following up on that, we are going to head up to the bridges in the background, accompanied by Ryan there. Oh hi.
I'm not sure if we can head. We can see if there's anything at the bridge, but there's more water past that.
Yeah, if you heard what Nico said, well, pretty much
DV along there?
tell them why we're going up to the bridge.
Because that's the entrance, and that's the only way fish can get in and out, and so we might see some fish there.
Yeah, and usually it's quite shallow there, apparently.
Yeah, it is shallow there.
So now that it's actually deep, because here, I'll show you guys this thing over here. This is a depth measurer, and right now it's about a meter high, the water. And in previous times where Nico's don't mind. In previous time when Nico's been here, it's been 0.7 meters in depth.
Look at this floating calamari I found.
Not funny, didn't laugh.
What an idiot. It's orange. It's orange. I don't know what he's going to do. So yeah, it's going to be hopefully deeper, therefore more fish would be going through there. So we'll see you over there and let you know whether we catch anything. Here's Max finishing off his chips.
Hello. Hey guys, back again. We're just watching the episode 5 of Fishing Edition here. See Dan watching.
It's bad.
Yeah, but
Very bad.
yeah, but we just wanted to do another update here because we went over there and it didn't work. So the only interesting
condom things in the water.
yeah,
Same.
apparently the only thing interesting we found was like some shark egg thing or something. We don't really know.
Yeah, condoms. It was weird.
Condoms, trust me.
It was like it had like an egg texture to it.
Okay, well that's kind of weird, but
Squid sack.
yeah.
50 of them.
Either way, it didn't really work. So
Whale egg.
instead, we've come back here and we're gonna try out our usual spot right out in the water, right there. We're gonna hope for the best.
Oh wait.
Can't promise that we're actually gonna do anything, but you know,
10.
we're gonna try our best, guys.
That would be.
Hello. I know what Ryan's doing here, but I think we got another update video. Huh?
Kill yourself.
Okay, you just said that on the video. Thanks for doing the update. We just had a big tangle. Not having much luck today so far. Why are we staring right at Dan? This is the bait trap I made, guys. Yeah, it's you can always rotate your hand, you know. But yeah, this is the bait trap I made. It's got a sinker and some prawns inside and a jar lid on the bottom. Anyway, it's time to throw that back out again.
Alright, let's see. You caught it in the tree. You might want to reel that back in and give it another go.
I wasn't quite expecting
High octane throw. What a throw! Look at him go.
Yeah. Hey guys, another update. So after the last update where we weren't doing particularly well over there, we decided to move here instead. Look at this area right here. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? It's absolutely beautiful, but also deadly because look how high the water is. Look at the water. It is literally like
Showcase.
yeah, sure, but
Right,
it is
so this is the grass here, and it comes all the way down into the water. Excuse my toes.
You can tell them the normal.
All the way through here. You can still see the grass. Huh?
You can tell the normal high tide location is near that grass sticking up there.
Okay. Right, the normal high tide is all the way right here. If you can see that. You see the grass stops off there and it goes into a little bit of a sandy bottom. But yeah, there's... How's that?
I think I got a lot of weeds on me.
Oh. There's a smashed plate in here. Anyways, there's a local football match going on over there. And, should we chuck in the, trap? Yeah, this is kind of dodgy, not gonna lie. Oh yeah, Nico and Dan went off to try and find a hidden trail over in those reeds somewhere. I don't know where, but they're gone. Mac is just setting up his trap right now. And, yeah, it's not bad. High octane, guys. Look at that. High octane. Oh, ow, ow. Alright, update.
Oh, you want an update?
Yeah, I want an update.
Oh, well, it
Flooded.
is completely flooded over there.
Why is it flooded? No one knows.
We don't know why it's flooded. Like, there is a bridge over there.
Yeah, huh?
It looks like it could have some potential over there, but I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Alright, hey guys, this is the end of episode 7 of Fishing and Dishing here at Narrabeen Lakes. What have we got to say about this? What to say about this day? Two things. One, we did not have good luck today. And Dan, you are a curse.
Oh, thanks, man.
Yeah, I know, right? And secondly, these bait traps, they don't work at all.
Do they, or is there just no fish?
It's
Because
one or the other.
we found out that it's flooded. This place is flooded, and we don't know why. And apparently it's much better when it's not flooded.
It's not meant to look like this.
So yeah, it's flooded really badly. But yeah, that's it for now. Signing off from Ryan, Dan, Nico, and myself for episode 7. Make sure you like and subscribe.